Spanish 59 guys, so bound for Manila. Ito guys, bound for Manila sila guys. Spanish 59, no? So ito na mo, para Manila ito sila guys. May dalawang tagbot nag-assist. Ito yung view ngayon guys, Tacloban. Tapos bandang Samar na yan dyan guys, Samar na. So ito ngayon, Spanish 59 yan guys, alis na sila. Shout out dyan, officers and crew, Spanish 59 from Isak. Thank you for watching guys, thank you for watching. Shout out dyan lahat ng crews. Ito yung ano namin, Thank you for watching.